Welcome to IACE. Today we are going to discuss 18th March 2020 Shift 2 reasoning explanation. Take care. Question number 1. The sequence of folding a paper and the manner in which the folded paper has been cut is shown in the following figure. How it will appear when it is unfolded. Friends, one is our paper. It is divided into two parts. Now the given arrow mark is right to left. That means right part is folded to left. We are having only left part. Again divided into two parts, top is folded to bottom. In this bottom here they given two circles as a cut. Here folding is from top to bottom is, unfolding is from bottom to top. Bottom to top means here circle, here also circle. Here folding is from right to left means unfolding is from left to right. Left to right means here this one will fall like this. So which of the following figure is like this? Check once. So option A is the same as given figure. So answer is what? Option A. So question number 1 answer is option A. Question number 2, select the option in which the given figure is embedded. Here rotation is not allowed. Friends, our requirement is for hidden figure, but rotation is not allowed. Take care, they given here arrow mark. Here it is not there. Next, friends, once if you are going to observe here diagram 2, here arrow mark is there or not? Yes. So diagram 2 is the answer. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 3. Select the option in which the numbers share the same relationship as that shared by the given number pair. So this number pair having one logic. So which are the following having same logic as given one? Now, 23 is related to 120. How many? Suppose. Friends, 23 into 5. 23 into 5 is what? Here 115 plus 5 is what? Here 120. That means your logic is what? Into 5 plus 5. So which are the following having the into 5 plus 5 logic? Suppose friends take here 54 into 5 plus 5. This one is part here 250, next 275, but our requirement is part 250. First option no chance. Second option 45 into 5, next plus 5. Friends, 45 into 5 is what? Here 225 plus 5 is what? Here 230. That means here into 5 plus 5. Which are the following having? Option B having the same logic as given side. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 3. In a certain code language, here marine, M-A-R-I-N-E, marine is written as I-R-M-V-E-Q. The same manner here, beauty, B-E-A-U-T-Y is written as. Suppose friends take here, once if you are going to observe here, friends here, E plus 4 is what? Here 9, E face value 5 plus 4 is what? 9, I. N face value 14 plus 4 is what? 18, R. I face value 9 plus 4, 13, M. R face value here 18 plus 4 is what? 22, B. A face value 1 plus 4 is what? E. M face value 13 plus 4 is what? 17, Q. That means your logic is what? Plus 4. But last letter will comes first. Same manner. Here plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. Y plus 4 is what? Y plus 1, Z. Remaining is 3. That means here starting is what? C. Y plus 4 is what? C. With C, how many options are there? All options are there. Leave it. Next, go for next second one. Friends here T plus 4. T is 20 plus 4 is what? 24. X. U 21 plus 4 is what? 25. Y. A plus 4. That means here E. E plus 4, 9. Next, B plus 4 is what? 6. That means here CXY. CXY. Which are the following options is there? Option A is there. So CXY, EIF. Here logic is what? Plus 4. Question number 5. In a certain code language, star is coded as 55, cut is coded as 42. Then how pen is written as? Suppose friends take here. Friends, for this type of questions, maximum logic is sum of the face values. Otherwise, opposite letters face values. Suppose take a sum of the face values. S face value 19, T is 20, A is 1, R is what? 18. Friends, total is how much here? Total is here 18. Next, here 58 minus 3 is what? 55. Suppose check for next one also it is applicable or not. C face value 3, U is 21, T is 20. Total is what? Here 44. 44 minus 3 is what? 41. But they given here 42. Friends, remember whatever the logic is applied for this one, the same logic will be applicable for this one also. But it is not applicable means now sum of the face values minus 3, no chance. Then go for here opposite letters. Here the given is what? Star. Friends take here. S opposite is what? H. T opposite is what? G. A opposite Z, R opposite I. H face value is what? 8, G face value 7, Z face value 26, I is what? Here 9. Now friends, once observe here, total is how much here? 15, next 21 plus 9, total is what? Here 30. Now 2 plus 3 is what? Here 5, 50, but they given 55. That means here sum of opposite letter face value plus 5. Go for next one. C opposite. C opposite is what? X. X face value 24. U opposite is what? F face value 6. T opposite G. G face value is what? 7. Now total is how much here? 24, 30. Next one is what? 37 plus 5. Our requirement is what? Opposite letter face value sum plus 5. So 37 plus 5 is what? 42. In the same manner. Friends, P opposite K. K face value 11. E opposite V. V face value 22. N opposite M. M face value 13. Total is how much here? 20, 30, 40, 43, 45, 46 plus 5. 46 plus 5 is what? 51 is the answer. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 6. Here the again question is from Silax. Take your given statements. No cup is a book. Friends, take care. Cup. Here no cup is a book. Next second one. Apple is a cup. Friends, remember before subject if they didn't give anything means consider as a all. Remember before subject if nothing is there means consider as a all. That means all apple is a cup. Friends, take care. Apple. This all apple is a cup. Take first conclusion here. Apple is not a book. That means all apples are not book. Here we know no cup is a book. Then compulsory no apple is a book. Yes, first one is true. Second one. Apple may be book. We know all apples are not book, but some all apples are. Book is a possibility, no chance. That means answer is what? Only one follows. Option B is the answer. Question number 7. 4 numbers have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Select the different one. Suppose friends, take care. 1568, 2628, 1432, 2514. Suppose friends, take care. Friends, here answer is option D and D. Why means remaining 3 are the multiples of 4 and multiples of 4, otherwise divisible by 4, divisible by 4. Suppose friends, take care. 4 divisible to rule is what? Last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Now 68 divided by 4 are not. Here 4 ones are. Next 4 sevens are. 17 into 4 is what? 68. Last 2 digits. Here 28 by 4. This one is what? Here 7. 32 by 4. This one is what? Here 8. This one is not divisible by 4. That means here answer is what? Option D. Why means remaining 3 are divisible by 4, but option D is not divisible by 4. Question number 8. Select the option figure that can replace the question mark in the following series. Now we are going to replace this question mark. Friends, once if you are going to observe here they given like this, here they given like this. That means it is rotating. Suppose first it is rotating 9 degrees clockwise. Next again 9 degrees clockwise. Suppose friends, take care. It will be like this. Here 90 degrees clockwise means it should be like this. Again 90 degrees clockwise like this. Again 90 degrees clockwise means it should be, that means this one, first upside, next right side, next one it should be downside. Yes. So it should be downside, but these arrows are in the same side. It is facing right means right, down, next one is part left, next one is part upside only. So arrow should be same side, but it is look like V shape. So which are the following option is there? Here arrows, one is down, other one is up, no chance. That means here answer is what? Option C. Friends, simple logic is here take like this they given. Next figure they given like this. That means this one is rotating 90 degrees clockwise. Again like this. That means again it should be downside. It like this means, so answer is what? Option C is the answer. Don't get confused for C and D. Why means here arrow marks are same side, right side, bottom side, next again here left side. That means arrow mark should be same side, but in this case one is upside, other one is downside, means no chance. So answer C is the answer. Question number 9. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure. Friends, now they kept here mirror is right side. Friends, remember if it is a mirror image, left is right and right is left. Now here it is like this means if it is a mirror image, it should be like this. So here it is not there, no chance. Here also it is not there, no chance. Next one, that means these two are the possibilities. But friends, take care. Left is right, right is left. But here shading will not change. It will not go upside. It should be in the bottom side only. But here it is went upside means this one, no chance. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 9, answer is option C. Question number 10. Select the option that is related to the third word in the same way second word is related to the first word. Gradual is related to abrupt. Friends, what the meaning of gradual means what? Here, continue. Abrupt means what? Stop. That means both are antonyms. Factual means what? Real. So opposite is what? Non-factual, otherwise fictional. So answer is what? Option A. Here they given antonyms and here gradual means what? Continue. Opposite is what? Abrupt. Stop. Same manner here. Factual means what? Here real. Opposite one is what? Fictional. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 11. Select the option that is related to the third letter cluster in the same way second letter cluster is related to the first letter cluster. Suppose friends, the given is what? Grow. G-R-O-W. Grow is related to I-M-R-S. In the same manner here, a P-A-S-T is related to. Friends, once observe the here series. Friends, here G and I logic is what? Here +2. Next R and M logic is what? Here -5. O and R logic is what? Here +3. W and S logic is what? Here -4. That means logic is what? +2, -5, +3, -4. So +2, -5, +3, -4. P +2, 16 +2, 18. R. With R, how many options are there? Only one option is there. So answer is what? Option C. Otherwise, here E -5 is what? Here for E -5 is here Z. S +3. Next one is what? S is 19 +3, 22. V. T -4. 20 -4 is what? 16 is what? P. So answer is what? RZVP. Answer is option C. Here logic is +2, -5, +3, -4. Question number 12. Select the combination of letters that when sequentially placed in the blanks of the given letter series will complete the series. For this type of question, simply go through the options. Suppose substitute first option D, F, F, next G, C, C, next E, F. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, C, C, D, E, C, C, next one, D, E, next one, F, F, next one is what? F, F, next one is what? G, C. C, C, D, E, next one is what? F, F, next one is what? G, C. Yes. Friends, take here. C, C, next one, D, E, F, F, G, C. The series is repeating by substituting option A. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 12, option A. Question number 13. B does not have sister and now B does not having any sister. Leave it. A is sister-in-law of B. Sister-in-law means what? Here spouse sister, otherwise brother's wife. Leave it. D is the only brother of B. Now friends, D is the only brother of B. Next one, next point is what? B, while B is a unmarried. Here B is a unmarried. Leave it. F is father-in-law of D. Friends, father-in-law means what? Spouse father. F is father-in-law of D. That means here D having one wife. This wife father is what? Here F. F is father-in-law of D. So spouse father is what? Father-in-law. Next one, K is the wife of F. Now the given one is what? K is wife of F. Next one, how K is related to A and how K is related to A. Now A is the sister-in-law of B. A is sister-in-law of B means now friends, for sister-in-law we are having two possibilities, spouse sister, but here B is not a married, no chance to get spouse sister. Only possibility is what? Brother's wife. That means this one is what? Here A. A is sister-in-law of B. Now question is what? How K is related to A. Friends, how K is related to A here? Mother. Answer is what? Option B. Question number 14. How many squares are there in the following figure? Friends, in class I already said if the given squares means apply the elimination method. How means number of rows into number of columns. Suppose friends, take it in a row here we are having 3 squares into column. How many we are having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus next one. First row, first column completed. Next second row. Here we are having 2. Next column how many we are having? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means here 2 into 4 plus next one. Last row here we are having 3 columns. That means here 1 into 3 and friends take here 3 into 5. 3 rows, 5 columns. Next 2 rows, 4 columns. Next 1 row, next 3 columns. That means here 1 into 3 plus next one. Take here this part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here total 6 plus 2, 4, 3, 5 is 1. Total 7. Now count total. 15. Next 8 plus 3. Total is what? Here 15, 18. Next one is what? 26. Next 27 plus 6. Total is what? 33 is the answer. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 15. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark in it. Now we are going to replace question mark. And suppose, friends, take here 5, 6, 15. How? Friends, 5 into 6 is how much here? 30. 30 by 2 is what? Here 15. Yes, that means here logic is what? Multiplication of bottom two numbers by 2 equal to upper number. Suppose, friends, take here 4 into 9 by 2. 2 2s are here. 4. 2 into 9 is what? 18. Same manner. 6 into 7 by 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 into 7 is what? 21 is the answer. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 16. Select the correct combination of mathematical signs to replace the y in the following question to make the equation is balanced. Simply go through the options and take first option. 18 here first one is what? Y means what? Divide by 2. Next into 3 equal to 3. Next minus 9. Friends, here there is chance to get minus 6, but here left side minus only not there. That means first one no chance to get. Go for second one here. 18 into 2. Next equal to 3 minus 3 divided by 9. Friends, take here there is chance to get minus 1 by 3. So here 3 minus 1 by 3 and 3 minus 1 by 3. This one is what here? 9 minus 1 by 3, that means this one is what? 8 by 3. That means there is chance to get fractions, but here no chance to get fraction left side. So second option also no chance. Take third option. Here 18 y means what? Here into 2 divided by 3. Next plus 3. Next equal to 9. Friends, this one is what? 18 into here 2 by 3 plus 3 and once observe here. Next 3 6 are now 6 into 2 is what? 12 plus 3 is what? 15 equal to 9. No chance. That means remaining option D is the answer. Friends, once observe here option D. 18 divided by 2. Next one into 3 equal to 3 into 9. Friends, take this one is what? 18 by 2 means what? This one is what? Here 9. 9 into 3 equal to 3 into 9. Yes. 27 equal to 27. That means by substituting option D, we are getting LHS equal to RHS. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 17. Select the option in which the numbers are related in the same way the numbers in the given set. So in the given set we are having one logic. So which are the following set having same logic as given set? Suppose the given is what? 36 or 10. Next one is what? 16. Friends, suppose friends take this one is what? 10. Next this one is what? 36 means what? 6 square. That means take here 10 minus 6 and 10 minus 6. 6 square is what? Take here only number. 10 minus 6 is what? Here 4. 4 square is what? 16. 4 square is 16. That means your logic is what? Middle number minus first number square. That means this 36. 36 means what? 6 square. That means here square of which number here? 6. Now 10 minus 6 is what? 4. 4 square is what? 16. So the same logic which are the following is there. Suppose friends take here first one 81 11 one is what? 4. Friends, this one is what? 11 minus 81 means can able to write 9 square. So 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9 is what? Here 2. 2 square is what? 4. Yes. What are the logic is followed by given set? Option A having the same logic. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 18. Select the number that can replace the question mark in the following series. Friends, here the given number is what? 8, 13, 23, 43, question mark 163 or 323. Suppose friends, once observe here, difference is how much here? Difference is 5. Next one 10. Next one is what? Here 20. So 5 double 10, 10 double 20, 20 double is what? Here 40. 43 plus 40 is what? 83 is the answer. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 19. 3 different positions of the same die are shown. Select the number that will be on the face opposite to the face having number 1. Friends, opposite to 1 is which one? Suppose friends take any two views and then compare it. But one view compulsory, one should be there. If you are going to compare here these two views, here common number is what? 3. Here also we are having 3. In the two different views of a one die, one number is same. Then apply clockwise rotation from common number. 3 onwards clockwise. 3 to next one is what? 1. 3 onwards clockwise. 3, 4, next one is what? 5. That means here 2 opposite is 4, 1 opposite is what? 5. So answer is what? Option B. 1 opposite is 5. Question number 20. 4 letter clusters have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner, 1 is different. So select the different one. So friends, here the given one is part CDJK. Next one is OPTU. Next one is LMST. Next one is ABHI. Friends, once observe here. C and D logic is part +1. Next J and K logic is part +1. D and J logic is part, this one is +6. O and P logic is part +1. Next T and U +1. P and T, P face value is part here 16, T is part 20, and this one is part +4. Next, go for next one. L and M, this one is part +1. S and T, this one is part +1. M and S logic is part M13, S is 19, then this one is part +6. Next, A and B +1. H and I is part +1. B and H, B2, H is 8, then this one is part +6. So which are the following is different one means answer is part OPTU, option B is the answer. Y means a logic is part +1, +6, +1 except OPTU. In a certain code language, Surgeon SURGAON is written as 5, 3, 6, 17, 19, 9, 10. How? Suppose friends, once if you are going to observe here, friends, S opposite is part H. Next, U opposite is part F, R opposite I, G opposite T, E opposite V, O opposite L, N opposite is part here M. Friends, S opposite H, H face value 8. 8 minus 3 is how much here? 5. U opposite F, F face value 6. 6 minus 3 is part here 3. That means here logic is part opposite -3. Opposite -3. Same manner. Now D opposite is part here W. D opposite is here W. W face value is part 23. 23 minus 3 is part here 20. Next one. E opposite is part V. V face value 22. Minus 3 is part here 19. So 20, 19. Here we are having same. Leave it. Next one. Next one is part after D. Next one N. N opposite is part here M. M face value 13. Minus 3 is part here 10. So friends, take here 20, 19, 10. 20, 19, 10. That means here. Which one is different? Check once. Go for last one. 5 they given, 4 they given. Check once. Last one is part T. Friends, T opposite is part G. G face value 7. Our requirement is part opposite -3. 7 minus 3 is part here 4. That means ending is 4, starting is 20. Which option is there here? Option B is there. So answer is part option B. Here logic is part opposite -3. Question number 22. 4 words have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner, 1 is different. Which one is the different? First one, heifer. Friends, what the meaning of heifer means? One is part here, cow and cow. Next, bairy. What the meaning of bairy means here? Here, cow shed, shed of the cow. Cow shed. Next, eyrie. What the meaning of eyrie means? Now, here, shed of eagle. Friends, here, where eagle can able to live, that place is called as eyrie. Next, hive. What the meaning of hive means? Group of people together. Otherwise, here shed of here bees. That means which of the following is different one means answer is part here heifer. Answer is part option A. Why means remain 3 are the here places and here bairy means part here cow shed. Next eyrie means part where eagle can able to live. Hive means part here shed of the bees. That means here remaining is part heifer means part cow. So this is the different one. Remaining 3 are the living places. So answer is part option A. Question 23. Select the option that is related to the third word in the same way second word is related to the first word. Exercise we are going to perform in gymnasium. Yes. Friends, exercise we are going to perform in gymnasium. In the same manner, boxing where we are going to perform boxing means within the ring. So answer is part ring. Option A is the answer. Exercise we are going to perform within the gymnasium. Boxing we are going to perform in the ring. Answer is option A. Question number 24. Select the Venn diagram that best represent the relation between the following classes. Tortoise, mammal, amphibian. Now friends, tortoise, next one is part amphibian. What the meaning of amphibian means? Here example is frog. In Telugu meaning is ubhayachara jeevulandi. So that means tortoise is different and amphibian is different. Next at the same time mammal also different and here mammal means part in generally మనకి పాలు ఇచ్చే వాటిని వచ్చేసి మమ్మల్స్ అంటారండి. సో టాటా ఈస్ విల్ నాట్ గివ్ amphibian, దట్ మీన్స్ frogs, no chance. That means here Tata is different, mammal is different and amphibian is different. That means both are different categories. Answer is spot option A.